Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, sharing with you today this brand new Range Rover Sport, available here in the Dynamic SE trim and powered by 3-litre D300 MHEV mild hybrid drivetrain. The exterior is finished in beautiful Santorini black metallic colour with standard equipment including the likes of full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as the stylish 21-inch alloy wheels in black with upgraded red brake calipers. Moving over to the rear, stylishly positioned LED taillights will give your Range Rover Sport a distinctive look, and for added convenience there is a power-operated tailgate when your hands are full, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area. But the real treat here is the interior. You will find this two-tone ebony black with ruby leather upholstery, which really feels incredibly premium and looks absolutely fabulous. Passengers in the rear can also enjoy their own air vent controls, whilst moving into the front will also offer a stunning look with the option of a sliding panoramic roof illuminating the cabin, as well as these 20-way electric heated memory front seats. The driver will also enjoy a leather-wrapped heated front steering wheel, as well as it operates the IDD interactive driver display. But that's not all. This model even benefits from a head-up display projecting key information directly up ahead, with the center infotainment offering this PV Pro large tablet, which has got loads of entertainment features functional. It offers the likes of built-in satellite navigation with Bluetooth telephony for your device, as well as the joys of FM and DAB digital radio. Thanks to the seats being incredibly versatile, you have full adjustment over the heating, as well as the added bonus of adjusting the temperature controls. The backup menu will also offer easy-to-use climate controls featuring large buttons which are very easy to use whilst on the move. Various 4x4 functions are available, as well as cabin lighting is also available, and you can choose various colours or even brightening it up as well. Other great features on this model will also incorporate an easy-to-use 3D parking surround camera, which is an ideal companion for a large vehicle such as this one, offering wide-angle view lens or even nearer side when parking up to the curb. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use two-zone climate control system will allow you to set the ideal temperature, and it even offers a heated front windscreen ideal for frosty mornings. Auto-dimming rear-view camera is available, as well as easy controls for the panoramic sunroof.